try and not edit this very much because I don't really have time to do all that stuff. So I've got 2 cloves of garlic here, which I've started chopping. Now I'm going to use some ginger as well, about a chunk like that. It's about a 2-inch piece, so you want quite a bit of ginger. And yeah, so these noodles, I'm just going to do it with vegetables, but you can add in whatever you want. So you can add in some chicken or some pork or some beef, or if you're vegetarian, add some deep fried tofu or bean curd, and that will be really nice. So I'm just finely chopping the garlic and ginger up. And I want to do these videos in real time for you, so that you see that it is actually very, very quick. The only thing about doing all the stuff in real time is that, well, you're going to have to put up with me waffling on, really. So, okay, so, right, so I've got garlic and ginger finely chopped there. Now I've got some spring onions. I've got 3 spring onions. Make sure you wash them properly because there's grit gets in these like loads, so you want to make sure all the grit's out. Okay, so I've got spring onions. Now the other ingredient I'm going to use is some bok choy, or pak choy. I call it bok choy. And you can buy this from really any supermarkets. It's widely available now. Now I'm chopping the ends off there, and I'm just going to chop it into chunks. I have given it a wash, so make sure you wash things before you put them in, especially any kind of vegetables. Right, so that's going to go in. Or if you don't have bok choy, you can use any kind of green leafy vegetables, and they're all good for you. They've all got lots of iron in, so that's good for you. Right, now the next bit we're going to do is make the sauce. So these noodles are going to have a sauce in them, and we're going to cook it in. So for that we need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So you just put all your bits into a bowl. Okay, and I'm using light soy sauce as well. So 2 tablespoons. You're going to mix all these ingredients up together. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Okay, and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. You might think it's a bit of an odd thing to put into noodles, but you gotta wait till you taste it and you'll see why. Now I'm going to put in some honey. Now it's better if you have some runny honey, but I don't. So today I'm using this honey. It's a bit hard, and I'd say about half a tablespoon of honey is going in there. Okay, so you get that, mix that all in. Alright. And now the last bit is you want to put, let's have a look, one teaspoon of corn flour. There we go. Corn flour, basically all it does is it makes the sauce kind of go thick, so it's not too runny. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of that in to the mixture, 1 and a bit. And you're just going to mix it all in until it's smooth and not lumpy. So mix that all together and then we can start cooking. Okay, and that's practically it really. Right, so that's there. Now the noodles that I'm actually using these are Amoy noodles. And basically I've used this before and they come out pretty good. They come in packs like this. Now you can use fresh noodles or you can buy the dried noodles. Ah, cat again. Go away. Naughty cat. Very naughty. You can say hello to the camera though. Yes, you know. Here's my cat. Oh dear. Health and safety? Goodness. Right, what are they doing? Alright, showing you noodles. Okay, so these noodles, yeah, but you can use, they're quite quick and easy to use, and they actually come out good in this. So I don't normally like pre-packaged stuff, but these are alright. Yeah, here we go. Right, I'm going to start cooking now. So we're going to add another tablespoon of olive oil. Oh, sorry, not olive oil, sesame oil. That's the one. Heat that in your wok. Okay. Now we're going to add the ginger, garlic and the spring onions. I'm going to pop it all in. Just stir that one around for a bit. Okay. Now we're going to add the bok choy. Now if you're going to add chicken or tofu or something, you add it in now. Or before the bok choy actually. Okay. Now I'm going to put the noodles in. And you just kind of have to break them apart with your fingers. So I'm using 2 packets of these noodles. Okay, noodles gone in. Alright, give it a stir. Now this is your mixture. You can see it there. Give it a stir around. I'm literally just going to pour it all in. Okay, so there we go. It really was that quick and easy. A simple noodle dish, which you can add either some nice, I think fried tofu would go very nice on this, or some chicken, or whatever you fancy, some pork. So you have some noodles, and so it goes nice with sweet chili sauce as well. To check, you know, quality control here. Mmm. 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 These are good. You definitely got to try these. And they really do take 10 minutes to cook. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Take care. I hope you all have a lovely week, and I'll see you all soon. Tick, 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 tick.